Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of September 25th, 2023, Part 1. This week's theme is Fall Foliage. Leaves by David Ezra Stein. It was his first year. Everything was going well until the first leaf fell. "Are you okay?" he wondered. Then a red one fell, a yellow one fell. All over his island, the leaves were falling. He tried to catch them and put them back on, but it was not the same. He sat beneath a tree and watched them go all around. But he grew sleepy, and so he found a hole and filled it with leaves and went to sleep. Just as the wind began to blow, winter came. He slept snug in the ground while the snow piled thick. In the spring, with wide eyes, he woke. He felt the sun and saw the little buds on the bare arms of the trees and the tiny leaves that had begun to unfold. "Welcome," he cried. And he thought the leaves welcomed him. The end. Okay, we're going to make a fall tree, and your Craft-to-Go kit includes a tree with nothing on it and some seashell macaroni with food coloring on it. So all we're going to do, you need some glue. I have tacky glue, but you can use spool glue. Is we're going to glue these leaves onto the tree. Just like that. And that's what my tree looks like. It's just got little colorful leaves all over it. You can put more on if you want. You can put some down at the bottom that like they fell off. But I like my tree just like this.